Hey guys, we're going to go over cuts now. And so, cuts are very, very simple, right? If you can do addition, you can do cuts, right? So don't overcomplicate this, right? A cut is just a way to separate this source from this sink, right? So, for example, if I give you another network, let's go here, right? This would be a cut because it completely separates this with this, right? This would be a cut because it completely separates this from this, right? But this would not be a cut because we can go through this. We can go from source to sink here, right? And so when we're doing cuts, just make sure they separate left to right, right? So how you calculate cuts? Cuts are calculated by adding up the lines they go through, right? So the size of this cut is going to be 18. Size of this cut is going to be 4 plus 8 plus 8, so 20. Size of this is going to be 20. Size of this is going to be 24, right? Let's go up to here. So here, right? Different cuts. C1 is going to equal 8 plus 5, 13, right? For example, C4 is going to equal 11, right? Easy stuff, right? One thing you need to know for cuts is that, let's go to this one here, right? So think of a cut as like Australia and New Zealand, right? So we have Australia here and New Zealand here, right? And they're separated by like the Tasman Sea. I think that's what it's called, right? So Australia, New Zealand, right? Everything, when you're calculating cuts, everything must flow from Australia to New Zealand, not the other way around, right? So for this cut, everything flows from here, Australia to New Zealand. So we count these lines. However, if we had this line here, everything would flow, right? This would flow from Australia to New Zealand. This flows from Australia to New Zealand. But this line here flows from New Zealand to Australia, right? So in that case, we do not count this line in our cuts, right? So the cut's just going to be 35 plus 50, right? And that equals to 85, right? If we do this, everything flows from here to here, so we count everything, right? If we're doing, let's find a good one. Let's go here, right? For example, here, these flow from Australia to New Zealand, so they're good. For this cut, right, everything flows from Australia to New Zealand. This one is from New Zealand to Australia, so we don't count it. Right, this one goes from Australia to New Zealand. Right, remember this land. This one goes from New Zealand to Australia, so we don't count it. So we count this one, and this one. So that cut of C2 is going to be 5 plus 3 plus 8, right? For example, you can try and calculate C3. This cut is going to be 5 plus 7 plus 4. We don't count this because it's going from here to here, right? And so that is 5 plus 7 plus 4, 16, right? Simple stuff, right? So the last part of this is the minimum cut, right? And so if we come down here, right, this is the stuff we were doing earlier, right, for max flow, right? If we want to find the minimum cut, it's the shortest, right, the shortest possible, what can you say? The smallest possible cut in the whole network, right? And that's how much can flow through the whole network as well, right? So if we have a look at this, the max flow and the minimum cut are always equal. So max flow equals minimum cuts. Right. So we can either do trial and error, right, and then find which cuts equal to 17, or we can do this method, right? Circle all the ones that are full, right? 6 is full, this is full, this is full, this is full, and this is full, right? And then from there, you just draw a line through them, any of them, right, that are full, that equal 17, right? This narrows the process a lot, right? So, for example, this will equal 17, this will equal 17, this will equal 17, right? Let me show you another example. So for here, circle the ones that are full. Right, and then, right, obviously you have to use some, nuance. Max flow is 18. Right, so let's go 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, 19. Here, this is full as well. Right, so 6 plus 4 plus 8. Perfect. Right, so 6 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 18. Right, these are just circling the ones that are full and then draw a line through them that equals to 18. Right, let's go here, circle the ones that are full. This is full, this is full. Just draw a line through them. Right, equals 8. Right, narrows the process. If we go over here, so let's go here. We have, this is full, this is full, this is full, this is full, not this one. Right, max flow equals 7. Draw a line through here, draw a line through here, equals max flow 7. Right, let's just go through some HSC questions real quick. Critical paths. I think it's max flow. Yeah, here. Right, for example, we're doing the max flow with this. Right, we're doing 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4. This is full, this is full. 2, this is full, 2, 2. Right, max flow is going to equal 7. Draw a line through here. Right, and that equals 7. Right, all the full ones. Right, if we had, for example, this one, right, we can put 5 in here, 5 in here, 8 in here. These are full. 8 in here, 8 in here, 8 in here, and then we can put 7 in here, 7 in here, and 7 in here. Right. So our max flow is going to equal 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8, so 28. Right, just these end ones here, and then just draw a line through there, add them up, right, and it equals max. It equals the minimum cut or max flow. Right. So that's it for networks. That's all we need to know. We went through a whole lot. We went through drawing the network diagrams. We went through the cuts, minimum cuts, max flow, EST, LST, critical paths. But yeah, really keep up with them. Keep doing HSC questions on them, and then you'll get better at them, right? The more you do, the better you get, right? If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the discussion page.